Introduction to automation in manufacturing. Historical context of manufacturing processes. The rise of automation in the 20th century. Key benefits of automation today. Types of automation in manufacturing. Examples of automated tasks in factory. The role of AI in manufacturing automation. Impact on workforce skills and jobs. Challenges of implementing automation. Case study: a company successfully using automation. Future trends in manufacturing automation. Sustainability and automation in manufacturing. Global perspectives on manufacturing automation. Innovations driving automation forward. The role of data in automated manufacturing. Safety improvements through automation. Customer benefits from automated manufacturing. Ethical considerations in automation. Conclusion on the impact of automation. Call to action. Subscribe for more insight.